Welcome back to another installment of Tip of the Month in PROGEOX, the geological section of ProMine. My name is Robin, and today I will show you the procedure to do hole planning in sequence by using the hole planning module of ProMine. To get started, we must go to the PROGEOX tab in ProMine. Suppose we want to plan drill holes from a drift towards the ore body that you see in the drawing. And we want to drill holes to follow along the wall of the drift. We first need to create a 3D polyline to help us guide us in the direction we want to go. In this case, I'm using the AutoCAD snaps to graph the middle point of the walls, but you can draw the polylines manually as long as it's at the elevation in your gallery where you want to place your drill holes. Once we have this reference line, we can turn off the gallery layer to have a better view. Now we can go to the hole planning module and we can activate the new hole command. Here we can start by placing the drill hole prefix. We select the layer where the color data will be generated, and over here we select the color in plan view and we choose the point where we wish to start placing our drill holes. The coordinates and elevation data will be filled in automatically. For our exercise, we will use an azimuth of 30 degrees, an inclination of positive 25 so that our drill holes go up from the collar towards the ore body, and finally we define a distance of 15 meters between holes. These are the basic parameters for drilling orientation. Now to generate them as a series of drill holes, we go to the multiple holes section of the command window, and here we indicate the spacing we want between holes. We choose the reference polyline that we will use for placing the drill holes, and we indicate the direction that the drilling will take from this point. We can identify the drill holes by using numbers or letters. We define the spacing between holes and the increment, and then all that remains to do is to click on the button to insert multiple drill holes. As you can see, the drill holes are created based on the settings we've chosen. If we want a quick report, we just have to select the report command and select the drill holes in our drawing. Then the type of report we want, and we click OK. The report is created, and we place it where we wish to have it, and we're finished. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next installment.